Hey creators, today we are going to create a Facebook business page. By end of this video, you also create a page like this. So let's see how we are going to create a perfect Facebook business page. So let's start with the step one, which is you have to open the Facebook. If you go to there, here you can find the menu. Here you can see a page under the create. So click on it. Now it will ask the page name. You have to give the page name. So I'm going to create a page for one of the business, which is they are selling this sandwich, and the name is in between and the name is available. That's why getting the green tick. So and the category, this is a sandwich, right? So let's see, yeah, sandwich shop, and let's write the bio. I already have some bio for this. I click on the create page. So that is step one. Now we are going to step two.
Now here we have to give our business details. Yes, I was given my business details.
They are asking opening hours. I'm giving specific timing. Every day evening to night only it's opening. I'm going to choose 6 to 10 every day. Anyways, I'm giving fast. So let's click on the next. Now here asking profile picture and cover page. Profile picture is nothing but you can use your logo. Yeah, now my profile picture, which is my logo, and background cover page was updated. Let's click on add action button. This is an online order, so I just want to give WhatsApp orders. Just click on try it. If you have a website, then you can choose this, but as of now I don't have any website, so I'm choosing the send WhatsApp message only. Direct WhatsApp, they can message me, and I'm going to click on the next. There is some few more options which is relevant to you. You can choose it, but I'm choosing send WhatsApp. Then click next. You have to give the phone number and you will get the OTP, which you already given before. That is the same number was reflected here. Just click on send OTP. I'm going to skip this. So here asking to create ad. I will skip this one right now. You can send link to direct WhatsApp. Okay, done. Anyhow, I will update my phone number by entering my OTP. Now I'm going to click on next. Now again click next. You can invite your friends or else you can skip it. Done. Now my complete page was created. Just go through our page and you can check everything here. This is how you can create the complete page, and you can check your analytics here by professional dashboard. You can find how many views you receive, whatever the post you are doing. You can go to insights. You can clearly see your views, earnings, interactions, audience, everything here. This is how you can create Facebook business page easily. In next video, I will show you how to create Instagram business page step by step in mobile. Let's see.